Okay, let's sing. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chewy. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay! Now you can eat it.
You can eat your food now, Chewy.
Eat it. Eat it, Chew. Not
You can put this one down and you can eat this one now. Oh, there you go.
Yummy. There are raspberries with cream cheese and sprinkles.
Yummy. Huh,
She said, this is the good stuff. Yum.
Yummy.
Yum.
Nana, oh, you want some over there for us? Yeah.
Cake.
It's good cake.
Yummy.
Very good cake. Mommy wants one. Does he want one? Uh-oh. Mommy wants a cupcake.
Don't whip it on your shirt. You have buckets for that.
So it doesn't spill on the
And there are apples. The apples are getting all gross. Hold on a sec, Sam.